Good morning everyone. Today we're pushing the boat out a little bit in terms of the budget on the watches I'm going to be doing in the video. So today we're looking at a Raymond Weil watch. So initial look at the box. It does come with a little outside cover, but I've just taken that off just for ease for this one. Full Raymond Weil embossing on the front of the box. Very nice and elegant style box. Very, very smooth. Sharp corners. Just watch out for those when you're buying it. Got decent heavy weight to it as well. Housed inside the box is you've got a little, it's like a pouch for it to come out. There you go, Raymond Weil card inside there. So let's move this box to one side. It's a simple style box with two sort of button downs on the side here. Nice stitching going all around the outside. A nice white cream where it's like a white detailing inside, and a white cushion to hold that watch in place as well. So here we go guys, this is the Raymond Weil Tango 42mm. It says it's got a 10mm case thickness, retails at £900, weighs 167 grams, but it feels more than that, and uses a quartz movement. So moving on to the dial, we've got a sort of it's like a sunray inside dial here, and then a lined ringed outside dial where those sort of luminous markers are sitting there. You've also got luminous hands as well, and the luminous dot in the middle of that second hand as well that just ticks along. Inside the actual face of the watch, you've got pure stainless steel inside there, no sort of extra markings inside the face, and a nice sort of subtle date dial here. Just sit down at the 3 PM. So with this watch, you get 300 meter water resistance, as you can see from the glass in the markers on the glass here, on the actual dial. It's fully Swiss made, hence Geneva, and sapphire glass going on the top of the watch. When you look online, there's not actually a lot of information about this watch. It's yeah, it's quite an odd one really. So coming out to the bezel, you've got a unidirectional style bezel. Just got a nice sort of dark green to go with that second hand there as well. So coming around to the crown and the casing. So the casing's got a brush finish on the actual part of the casing that sits underneath the bezel. Nice to see that. Coming down to the crown, it's got a polish finish on that crown there with the Raymond Weil printing on the side there, housed in a little bit of crown protection. The positions, the first position is well defined, second position also well defined. The hands move a bit more than I would expect for a £900 watch. It's not to say it doesn't feel nice, it still does. It just, there's quite a lot of movement relative to the amount of crown movement you're making. But I think that's just my sort of personal preferences really. Now I'll just screw that back down in place. So coming down to the strap, you've got a sort of oyster perpetual style strap. It looks like it's 20mm, but I'm going to check. So 20mm strap. If you want to change that to something else, you'll need a 20mm strap to do that. You can adjust the strap by little tiny, I think are they screws? It makes sense that they're screws because you can't knock them out, but they don't look like screws. That's really weird. I guess you guys have to figure that out for yourself. I'm not going to try and fiddle with that and mess it up. So coming down to the clasp, sorry, it was already open when I opened it up. You've got a hidden style clasp, and it's a butterfly system with two push button deployments, revealing a stainless steel inside mechanism with a stainless steel marking just on here as well. I'll keep that open for now for when I put it on my wrist. have a look at the back plate. No sort of quick release pins to the strap. It's a simple screw down strap, I believe, with just a few more markings on the back here as well. Stainless steel, etc, etc. Overall, the watch does feel quite nice on the wrist. The strap's quite smooth. Feels quite nice. It's got a decent amount of weight to it as well. I've got the tag stuck in the thing. Go. It's one of those ones you've got to fold one side first, isn't it? Of course. So there we go, guys. That is the Raymond Weil Tango.